In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Meeting in Calendly 5 minutes. First, open your browser and head to calendly.com. On the home page, look for Log In at the top right and click it. On the sign-in screen, type the email address you use for Calendly and choose Continue. You'll then be asked for your password, enter it, and continue. If your account uses a single sign-on option or two-factor verification, just follow the prompts on screen to complete sign-in. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. From here, we're going to make sure you can join meetings directly from your bookings. Click Integrations and Apps. This opens Calendly's integration hub, where you can connect tools that add video conferencing links to your events. You'll see popular options like Slack and Microsoft Teams for notifications and meetings, and GoToMeeting as another conferencing choice. For this walkthrough, we'll use Google Meet. Click Google Meet to open its details page. Next, click Manage Calendar Connection. Calendly needs to know which calendar to use when it creates events with a meeting link. If you're prompted, choose the Google account and the calendar you want Calendly to add meetings to and grant the requested permissions so links can be created automatically. Make sure the correct calendar is connected, especially if you keep separate work and personal calendars. With the connection in place, your scheduled events will automatically include a Google Meet link. To join a meeting, open the event on your Google Calendar at the scheduled time and click the Join with Google Meet button. You can also find the same link inside Calendly under Scheduled Events, open the booking details, and select the Google Meet link there. Either path takes you straight into the call. Because your calendar is synced with Calendly, your availability stays accurate, and each new booking gets a unique meeting link. If you make changes to the event, Calendly and your calendar stay in step, so participants always have the latest join details. Quick tips before we wrap up. Schedule a quick test event to confirm that the Meet link appears as expected. Double-check your time zone in Calendly to avoid timing mix-ups, and if you prefer a different platform, you can repeat these steps with Microsoft Teams or GoToMeeting instead. And that's it. You can now join meetings in Calendly with a single click.